Hello friends, today I am going to solve textual problem number 7. We are having two partners, Medha and Radha, who are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:1. And we are given the balance sheet on 31st March 2018 and we are given the adjustments on 1st April 2018. So they have decided to admit Krutika, and the adjustments are Krutika is taken as a partner and she will pay 40,000 as her capital for 1/5 share and 2,500 as a goodwill. So here goodwill is brought in cash. 5% provision for doubtful debt. So RDD is to be credited at 5%. Furniture is to be depreciated by 20%, stock appreciated by 5%, and plant and machinery by 20%. And the capital of all the partners to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio by adjusting amount through loan. And the new profit sharing ratio is 3:1. And you are required to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet as usual. So what we are going to prepare? We are going to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, okay. Then balance sheet of the new firm, cash account, goodwill account, calculation of sacrifice ratio, and calculation of capital of partners. Why we want to calculate sacrifice ratio? Because we are given old ratio and new ratio. So we will see what is the sacrifice of the partners. So now let us proceed. As per these steps, we are having first creditors. So in our closing balance sheet, our creditors are 80,000. Then we are having bills payable 20,000. So in our closing balance sheet, we have a bills payable 20,000. Then we are having bank overdraft 20,000. So in our closing balance sheet, we are having 20,000 bank overdraft. Then in our problem, we are having capital of the partners Megha and Radha. So in the solution, let us write in the capital account, Medha is 1,20,000 and Radha is 40,000. And we are given the journal reserve 16,000, which we are going to distribute in the old ratio, that is 12,000 and 4,000. So this is the liability side is over. Now we'll see the asset side. Our cash is 78,000. So we are opening the cash account. So 78,000 is the opening balance on the debit side. Then we are having debtors, stock, plant and machinery, furniture, land and building. So in our closing balance sheet, first we will have debtors 64,000, inner column, stock 40,000, inner column, plant and machinery 60,000, inner column, and we are having furniture, that is also 22,000, inner column. Then we have land and building, so there is no adjustment, so we are placing in the outer column. So we have completed the liability side and asset side. So our step number 1 and step number 2 are over. Now step number 3 we have to take up. So we will ignore now step adjustment number 1. We'll take adjustment number 2, 3, 4. Okay. So RDD is to be credited at 5%. So now let us see the debtors. 5% RDD is 3,200. So outer column, our debtors are 60,800. And our second adjustment is RDD in profit and loss adjustment account 3,200. Now, furniture is to be depreciated by 20%. So in our balance sheet, whatever is the furniture, 20% we are going to depreciate. So 4,400. So outer column it is 17,600. And in our adjustment account, furniture account is debited by 4,000. That is profit and loss adjustment account is debited by 4,400. Then stock is appreciated by 5%. So we'll see the stock. Stock is 40,000. 5% is 2,000. So appreciated by 5%. So 42,000. And in our adjustment account, stock is written on the credit side. 2,000 is appreciated. Now, what we are having, plant and machinery is again appreciated by 20%. So plant and machinery, we are going to appreciate 12,000. So the outer column now it is 72,000, and 12,000 we are going to show in the adjustment account on the credit side. So our adjustments are over. Step number, which step number? 3 is over. Now step number 4. So in step number 4, now on the credit side, our total is 14,000 and debit total is 7,600. So the difference is 6,400, which is a revaluation profit, which is distributed between the partners in the ratio of 3:1. So now we will credit these partners, Medha and Radha, in the ratio of 3:1. Okay. So our that particular step is over. So close the revaluation account, that is also over. Now we'll see step number 5, recording of new partners capital. So Kritika is taken as a partner for rupees 40,000 capital and 2,500 goodwill. So she is going to bring 40,000 capital. So first in the cash account 40,000. So 40,000 in the cash account is debited, and in the Kritika's account on the credit side 40,000 is credited. Now she is going to bring 2,500 as a goodwill. So first in the cash account 2,500, on the debit side 2 goodwill, and in the goodwill account on the credit side 2,500 by cash. Now this goodwill is distributed between Medha and Radha, okay, in the sacrifice ratio. So 1875 and 625. So the total is 2,500, and now we are going to credit this goodwill to Medha and Radha, 1875 and 625. Okay. So that's the treatment of goodwill. Goodwill is brought in cash and goodwill is distributed. That's all. Now after that, we'll see that first adjustment is over, second, third, fourth. Capital of all the participants is new profit sharing ratio. Okay, through the loan, and the new profit sharing ratio is already given. Now calculation of sacrifice ratio, because we are given the old ratio and the new ratio. Old ratio is 3:1 and new ratio is given 3:1. So our sacrifice ratio is old minus new. So our sacrifice ratio is 3:1. So that is why this goodwill is distributed in the sacrifice ratio, that is 3:1, which is again old ratio only. Okay. And then calculation of capital of partners. Now the reciprocal of new partner is 5. Okay. Because new partner, Kritika, is given 1/5 share. So 5 into 40,000 she brings. So the total capital is 2 lakh. So now the capital of the 3 partners, Medha, Radha and Sahil, is 1,20,000, 40,000, 40,000. So now the closing capital is 1,20,000, 40,000 and 40,000. And the capital of the partner is 1,20,000, 40,000 and 40,000. So the total is 2 lakh. Now we can see that here the profit and loss adjustment account is over. Here goodwill account is over, and whatever capital adjustment is there, that capital adjustment is through this 40,000 is also there, loan account. So now Kritika credit side is 40, so debit side is also 40. Radha credit side is 46,225. So requirement is 40,000. So surplus is 6,225. That is transfer to partners loan account. And for Medha 138,675. So 138,675. So the surplus is 18,675. So instead of cash and instead of current account, we are asked to transfer to partners loan account. So in our balance sheet, we will transfer to partner's loan account. Partner 1 is 18,675 and second partner is 6,225. So total is 24,900. Now we have to close the cash account. The balance of the cash account is 1,20,500 and the totals are 1,20,500. So here cash is 1,20,500. Okay. So the balance sheet total is 3,44,900. 3,44,900. Okay. So we have completed the sum. In this sum, the important points were goodwill is brought in cash and it is retained. So only we have to pass the entry on the credit side of goodwill account and debit side. Then old ratio and new ratio is given. So we have to find out the sacrifice ratio. So after finding out the sacrifice ratio is again equal to old ratio. And we have to calculate the capital of the partners, and the capital of partners is adjusted here in the capital account and the surplus is transferred to partners loan account. So these are the important points in this sum. Okay.